Conics. Conic is the locus of a moving point in a plane, so that the distance from the fixed point and fixed line, and it is the constant ratio, it is not containing of the fixed point. It is the moving point, that is P. It is moving in the space and it creating the constant distance from the fixed line and fixed point. This is the fixed line and this is fixed point. The fixed point is S, x1, y1, and P is the moving point, that is x2, y2, and this is fixed line. It is called D or directrix. So the line have the equation Lx my plus n. I told you that is creating the distance from the fixed line. It is almost 90 degree or always it is 90 degree, that is perpendicular, and this is slanting distance, I mean slanting line. I told you the fixed point, fixed line and fixed point, that is fixed line, it is called directrix and denote D, and fixed point, that is focus, it denote S, and eccentricity, it is E, that is the constant ratio of P. The E having some value and creating some shapes. If E is equal to 1 means it will create parabola. If E greater than 1 means it creating ellipse. And E less than 1 means it creating hyperbola. So these three concepts we are going to study about for the 4th syllabus in 5th lesson. That is important point, that is fixed line and fixed point. It is constant distance from moving point P, that is the locus of the point, it is called conics. If we denote x1, x2 means we will denote in the graph, that is x and that is y. That is a very important point of the conics. First we are going to study equal to 1, that is called parabola. So the eccentricity equal to 1 is parabola. E less than 1, that is ellipse. E greater than 1, hyperbola. So you don't confuse that. That is less than 1 means ellipse and greater than 1, hyperbola. So these three concepts we are going to study, and before that the first concept is parabola. Before that we are going to learn about the conic of the general equation and the general concept. The general concept of the conic. The general equation of the conic or general form. The general equation of conic is, I told you the constant ratio is E, that is E is equal to SP by PM. That is a very important equation. Here SP is the distance of 2 points, where SP is equal to square root of, you know very well about the distance formula, you are studied from the 10th standard. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, and the PM, that is distance from the fixed line. So that is Lx plus My plus N by square root of L square plus M square. Now we write the E value is, if you find SP or PM or E, whatever you find it will be fine. So you take the, here have the square root, so we have the square for all the terms. That is SP square is equal to E square into PM square That is the general equation or general form of the conic. So these basic concept, it will develop by first one parabola, and second one ellipse, third one hyperbola. First of all, we are going to study about the parabola. That is the very easiest part, the entire two-dimensional geometry. Parabola. It is the shape like U, like this, or this, or this, or this one. We have three shapes, four shapes. So you don't forget that parabola is like a U shape, like this. Now we are going to study the standard equation and general equation. The standard equation is y squared is equal to 4ax, which means they are positive, so the graph is looking like this. Open upward. Don't forget that. That is open upward. You don't think that is not a Venkatachalam, that is open upward. So next concept is y square is equal to minus 4x. Can you guess how is the graph is looking like that? Open downward or open leftward?